Question 571. How would you approach refactoring a legacy Java codebase to Kotlin to improve maintainability and performance? I would start by analyzing the existing codebase, identifying code smells, and refactoring gradually to convert Java code to Kotlin. I would leverage Kotlin features like extension functions, data classes, and null safety to improve maintainability and performance. Question 572. Describe your experience with reactive programming libraries like RxJava in Kotlin. How do you handle asynchronous operations and event streams? I have used RxJava to handle asynchronous operations, manage event streams, and implement reactive programming patterns in Kotlin projects. I use observables, operators, and schedulers to handle concurrency, data streams, and asynchronous events. Question 573. How do you approach designing a scalable and resilient microservices architecture in Kotlin using frameworks like Micronaut or Kotor? I follow best practices like domain-driven design, bounded contexts, and asynchronous communication to design microservices architecture in Kotlin. I leverage frameworks like Micronaut or Kotor to build lightweight, scalable, and resilient microservices. Question 574. Can you discuss your experience with cloud services like AWS or Google Cloud Platform for deploying Kotlin applications? I have deployed Kotlin applications to cloud services like AWS and Google Cloud Platform using services like AWS Lambda, EC2, S3, and Google Cloud Functions. I configure cloud resources, manage deployments, and monitor application performance in the cloud environment. Question 575. How do you ensure security in a Kotlin application by implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms? I implement authentication and authorization mechanisms like OAuth 2.0, JWT, and role-based access control to secure Kotlin applications. I validate user inputs, sanitize data, encrypt sensitive information, and follow security best practices to prevent security vulnerabilities. Question 576. How would you integrate continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines, in a Kotlin project to automate testing and deployment processes? I would set up CI/CD pipelines using tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, or GitHub Actions to automate build, test, and deployment processes in a Kotlin project. I configure pipeline stages, define triggers, and monitor pipeline execution to ensure code quality and deployment reliability. Question 577. Can you discuss your experience with reactive web frameworks like Vert.x in Kotlin? How do you handle event-driven programming and non-blocking I/O? I have used Vert.x to build reactive web applications in Kotlin. Leveraging event-driven programming and non-blocking I/O, I handle asynchronous operations, manage event loops, and design responsive and scalable web applications using Vert.x. Question 578. How do you troubleshoot and debug performance issues in a Kotlin application using profiling tools and monitoring techniques? I use profiling tools like Visual VM, JProfiler, or YourKit to analyze memory usage, CPU consumption, and performance bottlenecks in a Kotlin application. I monitor application metrics, analyze logs, and optimize code to improve performance and scalability. Question 579. Describe your experience with implementing reactive streams in Kotlin using libraries like Project Reactor or Akka Streams. How do you handle back pressure and stream processing? I have used Project Reactor and Akka Streams to implement reactive streams in Kotlin applications, handling back pressure stream processing and asynchronous data streams. I use operators, buffers, and error handling mechanisms to manage data flow and ensure responsiveness. Question 580. How do you stay updated with the latest Kotlin trends, libraries, and best practices to enhance your skills as a Kotlin developer. I regularly participate in Kotlin meetups, conferences, and online communities to stay updated with the latest trends, libraries, and best practices in Kotlin development. I explore new features, experiment with libraries, and contribute to open-source projects to enhance my skills and knowledge. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.